So Chen and Jia are back. So what are my views regarding this pair coming back? And first of all, they are Olympic champions. They have given so many good matches in past. They have won each and every tournaments. They have participated, dominated. They have done every single thing. There was a time few months back, 6 or 8 months ago, when I discussed about this thing when Chen and Jia got splitted. They were not participating with each other, where they were going with another partners. I discussed one thing, that why this thing is happening. They are top tier players. Why this thing is happening? But there was something in my mind that Chen Jia is not proper working. Their pair is not working at that level. So maybe China is thinking something. When Jia started playing with Zheng and Chen started participating with I don't remember her name, but Jia and Zhang started giving some results, but Chen with her new partner was unable to give results. And I was thinking like, what was the purpose of splitting this Chen and Jia? And then Jia and Zhang started giving crazy level of matches. Even when they didn't won, they were into some finals, some semi-finals. And I was thinking like the experience of Jia is helping a lot with Zhang. Zhang is an extraordinary player. As an player, I will say that separate player. I will not consider her with Jia as a separate player. If Zhang is performing with another women's doubles player too, they will still perform. And then Jia and Zhang, this combination led to 2 tournament wins and dominating wins. That Pearl and Thinna versus Jia Zhang in Hong Kong Open, that match straight to win is not going, not fading from my mind, because Pearl and Thinna, I have been watching them from last 1 or 2 years. I have been noticing their gameplay going rising, and that match straight to set win, and man, that was in their mind, and again they got defeated. That was the thing that made my mind that Jia and Zhang are crazy good. But right now Jia and Chen both are coming back in Korea Open. So what does this mean? Maybe China was thinking that we need to get back Chen and Jia to defeat top tier players like Pearl Tan and Thinna, Liu Tan, even though Liu Tan are from China too, but they want their domination in top 5. So they must be thinking like they want Chen and Jia back to get that domination back, to defeat Pearl and Thinna, then Chiharu Shida. These players, they need to defeat them. Kim Kong, they need to defeat them. But the game started into 180-degree change when Jia and Zhang started performing. That was the change, and this thing must be in China's mind too, Badminton Authority mind too, that Jia and Zhang did perform, and not only performed, they defeated top tier players and won 2 gold medals in 2 straight wins. So what I think about Chen and Jia, first of all, they have nothing to prove. They have won every big tournaments. They are Olympic champs. But one thing that I want from Chen Jia is to perform as they used to perform last year and previous years. They used to dominate women's doubles. I just want Chen and Jia to perform at that level only. I don't want the thing that happened with Matsuyama and Shida, that Matsuyama was unable to perform at that level and eventually they had to, I will say, that split up. I don't want that thing with Chen and Jia. But one thing is for sure, if Chen and Jia loses in second or third round, no, I don't know against whom, but if they lose in second or third round, even in quarterfinals too, China will go for Jia and Zhang in future. That is going to happen, mark my words. But do I want Chen and Jia to split up again? My answer will be yes and no. Talking about Chen King, she did perform so great matches with Jia, but with her another partner, she was unable to win, not even win, succeeding in starting round of any tournaments was tough for Chen. But with Jia, she did well in past too. This tournament, Korea Open, will be, I will say, much important for Chen Jia as a pair. What I am thinking is that Chen Jia should win Korea Open here, and China should get confused, and they will not get confused because they have got a proper women's doubles player in the name of Zhang who can perform. Take 3 players name, Chen and Jia and Zhang, rotate them all and they will perform. I bet you if Chen will perform with Zhang, they will win. If Chen will perform with Jia, they will win. And if Jia and Zhang, they did won some tournaments, so they don't need validation. So what are your views regarding this pair? Just comment down below. I'm really looking forward for Chen Jia particularly in this Korea Open tournament. See you in next video. Bye bye.